All right, today we're diving into a really powerful idea from the book AI Millionaire Without Investment. The promise is huge. Can you actually build a fortune using AI, starting with literally zero capital? Let's dig in and see how.
So let's just start with the biggest question of all, right? The one that stops so many amazing ideas before they even get started. Is it really possible to build something from nothing?
Well, according to the source material, the answer is a clear and confident yes. You see, artificial intelligence hasn't just given us a few new toys to play with. It has completely rewritten the rules of the game. The key is understanding how to play.
Okay, so the first big idea is this. AI has completely leveled the playing field. It's torn down all the old walls and made entrepreneurship accessible to, well, pretty much everyone.
Just think about how it used to be. You needed a ton of cash for software and tools, right? You had to hire developers to build anything. You had to pay designers to make it look professional. Those were the gatekeepers. But now, AI basically hands you the keys to the kingdom. Your idea is the only thing you need to get in the door.
This is such a great way to think about it. It's like you suddenly have an entire team of specialists working for you 24/7 for free. AI can be your copywriter, your graphic designer, your marketing guru, and your business strategist, all at once. Suddenly, winning isn't just about who has the deepest pockets. It's about who has the best idea and the drive to make it happen.
And that leads us to the next really crucial concept. If money isn't your primary capital anymore, then what is? The book argues it's something way more valuable and something you can never run out of. They call this invisible capital, and it is the absolute heart of this whole philosophy. Think about it. Cash runs out, but your curiosity, your consistency in just showing up every day, your belief that you can solve a problem, that's an asset that actually compounds and gets stronger every single time you use it.
This is a game changer. The fear of failure paralyzes so many of us. But when you're using free AI tools, an idea that doesn't pan out isn't a financial loss. It's priceless market intelligence you just got for zero cost. Every failure is just learning.
Okay, so we've covered the mindset. Now let's get into the practical stuff. What tools are we actually talking about here? This is basically your digital toolkit. You've got large language models like ChatGPT or Gemini that become your copywriter and strategist. You've got image generators like Leonardo AI or Adobe Firefly that become your designer. They do all the heavy lifting, which frees you up to focus on the vision.
So, you've got the mindset, you've got the free tools. What can you actually build? Let's get specific and look at 5 zero-investment business models that are outlined in the book. And the range here is pretty incredible. You can get into AI publishing and create ebooks in days, not years. You can create AI content for businesses. There's a huge demand for that. You could offer AI design services and make professional logos without any art school background. Then you've got AI automation, which is a super high-value skill. Or even creating little AI micro-products like prompt guides. The key for all of these? They're digital products. That means no inventory and zero upfront cost.
Okay, let's talk about the most critical step in this entire journey. It's not about making $1 million. It's about making your first dollar. This is where the theory becomes your reality.
The first rule is to avoid analysis paralysis. Don't try to build 5 businesses at once. Just pick one path from that list and really commit to it. A focused effort will always beat a scattered one.
And here's how simple the execution can be. You don't need 8 hours a day. All you need is one focused, non-negotiable hour. This money hour, as the book calls it, forces you to balance creating your product with doing outreach, which is the part that actually gets you paid.
This is it. This is the whole goal right here. Earning that first dollar is the ultimate proof of concept. It proves your idea is valid, that your process works, and that your effort is paying off. It completely destroys the doubt that tells you this can't be done.
But how do you scale from that first dollar to long-term success? It's not just about the tactics. Building real wealth requires one final, fundamental shift in your mindset.
This simple equation really says it all. This is what separates a little side hustle from a real empire. It's not about some lucky break or a stroke of genius. It's about the discipline to do your money hour every single day, combined with the patience to let those small, consistent efforts compound into something massive over time.
So, we're left with this question. The barrier to entry has never, ever been lower. The blueprint is laid out right in front of us. The only real investment required is your action. So what's the one small step you can take today to start your journey?